Okay, welcome to Rapid Advantage Play for Roulette and Blackjack. This is a video about my Kit Roulette app, and the reason I call it Kit is because it's named after Kit TV show The Car, and the audio and the AI intelligence is just like the Kit car in the TV show. So you scroll down and navigate to the Kit app, and you navigate across, and it's called Covert Kit Roulette app. And you click on that tab and you can see a screenshot. There's Kit the car from the TV show, which I named it after, and a sample screenshot down below of some results, the chart and stats it does. It's quite involved. So once you get the access code, you can click on it. There's a Euro and American version. So American 00 wheel, Sega 00. So we'll just look at the zero. So what it does, it looks like a media player for music, for covert play. So if you wanted to make it smaller on the phone, use it on your phone device, it just looks like a music player. So it's really track one is the last win number, and track two is the winning number. And that's what it's recommended for. You look at the number board and for one direction, and you start entering the win numbers from the winning board or the display. And that's the intent of it. And as you can see, 0 through 36. And I just add in, random music track names to disguise the numbers. So for instance, the last win number is 1 and the winning number is 8. So that would be the pair, and then you hit record. And you go ahead and record all the last results. You can do one by one by spin and record them, or you go off the winning history and you make sure you get the right direction for one direction of the wheel. So clockwise would be pairs 4 and 5, and keep doing that until you got at least 20 spins. And I'm just going to record randomly as if I was recording on the wheel or the number history board, or you could do it per one dealer and keep recording and so forth.
Ready to play.
And then it says
Ready to
ready to
play.
play.
Ready to play.
So you've got the number of spins you recorded, 22. These input values, so this is the max number of pockets to play. You can select, say, 19 max pockets, 23 or 21, and it defaults to 23. And this is the number of peak. The pitch one would be the biggest first max peak size, 13, and then 5 is the second one. As long as those two don't exceed the max pockets, it checks it. So you could increase that to 15 and 20, or make that 7, 22, and then the third peak is 3 if you want to adjust and tweak that. So now it says ready to play, and you can hit play.
Tracks to play, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14, 31, 9, 22, 18, 29, 7, 28, 12, 35, 3, 26, 0, 32, 15.
So what you've done, you've hit play, and it's told you based on those 22 spins, there's an advantage, and those are the numbers to play based on that being the next number to spin from. So if 25 is the next last win number, so you'd adjust that and say, okay, the next spin, the last win number is 29. We haven't got a result yet. What are the winning
Tracks
numbers?
to play, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14.
So it's giving you the numbers based on the table layout, the racetrack layout. If you want to know the details, you can just hit show MP3.
Tracks to play, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14.
As you can see, you got the full details here. It's got the numbers up there to bet based on 29 being the next last win number. Just would be the number of, that you're using as a base to spin from. And you don't know the winning number yet. And here's the numbers to bet on. And here's a detail analysis. It's done a histogram for the total 20 spins. You see the yellow highlighted area. So you've got an 82% chance strike rate with 19 pockets to bet on. And those would be 19 numbers there to bet on. The last 20 out of the last most recent 20 numbers. does analysis and does a cumulative strike rate analysis. So you're at 80% and going down to 60% based on the last 20 spins. So the last set of 10 spins you didn't hit. So that's interesting to note. And your cumulative net units right now, if you'd started at 0, you would have made 200 units betting that area. There's been no drawdown, so therefore it's quite good. So you can adjust the number of pockets to reduce it to 19 and then redo analysis.
Tracks to play, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14.
So therefore it's adjusted it to maximum 19 pockets and 82% strike rate. And you can go down to 5, get that.
Tracks to play, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14.
And you're getting warnings about that being exceeding 19, so we'll adjust that and hit play.
Tracks to play, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20, 14.
So it keeps announcing the numbers to play because you're using audio. You can sort the numbers to play based on the table layout.
Tracks to play, 1, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20, 23, 24, 25, 27, 30, 33, 34, 36.
And you can get rid of the charts and details if you want to keep covert.
Tracks to play, 1, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20, 23, 24, 25, 27, 30, 33, 34, 36.
And you can have slow audio to say the number's slower.
Tracks to play, 1, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20, 23, 24, 25, 27, 30, 33, 34, 36.
So the next spin comes along. It was 29. You predicted it. And say the winning number was 5. You hit record.
Ready to play.
And so, yep, 29, 5 was the next pair. And then the next winning number is 23 from the next spin. You don't know what the winning number is going to be. And then you ask for the predictions.
Tracks to play, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, 32, 34, 35.
And you want to redo the analysis.
Tracks to play, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, 32, 34, 35.
And so there you have it. It's quite involved. And that's really the gist of it. Let's say, let's load some data from a previous real live table. I'm going to clear it and reset. And then I'm going to go down here and upload it. You can upload the data when you've downloaded it and saved it. So we've got some real live wheel for an online table. So auto wheel, I believe it was, recorded the number history from the numbers. And the auto wheel spins from the last win number, picks the ball up and then win number for that direction. But of course, it mixes and randomizes the rotor inside of it. So the FRs overlap. So you might have FR 5 and 6. So in this particular data, we don't record FR. We just rely on the last win number and the win number. So it overlaps the FR. Ideally, you'd want to just restrict it just to certain single FRs, but this allows flexibility to have multiple FRs. So you could have FR 5 and 6, and hopefully it overlaps nicely in the
Tracks to play, 3, 26, 0, 32, 15, 19, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24.
So based on 0, those were the numbers to bet on. We had a different one. It would say different numbers to bet on.
Tracks to play, 15, 19, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8, 23, 10, 5, 24, 16, 33, 1, 20.
So what it's doing, it's based on pocket number 4 on the physical layout of the wheel. It's telling you to bet this area of the wheel, -2 all the way to -17, and you're going to get a 76% strike rate for 23 pockets or 23 numbers to bet on. And those are the numbers to bet. There's the last 20, 70% strike rate, the last 40, 75% strike rate, last 60 spins, 72% strike rate. And there's your cumulative strike rate. So you started off high, 90, went down, it's dropping down to 70%. But your cumulative net units, you would have made 300 net units if started at 0. So a little bit of a drop there, and then goes back up again. So max drawdown, you're at -55 units, but then came back up. So you would want a stop loss of, say, 50 negative units, and then recovers again based on 86 spins captured. If we wanted to adjust it, say, no, I don't want to bet 23 pockets. So let's see if we come up with a different area based on max 19 pockets.
Tracks to play, 12, 35, 3, 26, 0, 32, 15, 19, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17. Tracks to play, 12, 35, 3, 26, 0, 32, 15, 19, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17.
So here it says max 13 pockets with a 45% strike rate, and those are the numbers area. So it's focused on just that area with a maximum of 13 pockets to bet on. And look at the history of that. So it's covering one major peak. The strike rate, 70% starts initially, but it drops down to 43%. So you want a 45% strike rate. You're still going to meet it overall and make net units, but yeah, you want to closely watch that. If you're not meeting at least 43 to 45% strike rate, you would want to keep betting. Of course, it's only a drawdown of -25 units, so less risk. And there you have it. So that's the different ways to play. It's quite more involved. You can mess with the peak number of peaks and max pockets to come up with a better way to beat the wheel and do analysis. But this is really if you're targeting one wheel and collecting a lot of spins for the wheel. You're not isolating by FR if you don't record the FR here, or if you only record data for a particular FR and analyze by that. And then you download the spins and save it into a CSV file like I've done here, and then you upload and analyze it based on wheel analysis and data capture and share with other players. But really you're playing live and recording through this app through a mobile phone or a tablet and getting audio output as you play, record per spin. And that's the best way to play, record live spins and play and test, and when you see that it's looking really good, then you start betting and go from there. So just to repeat, you record the spins as they're dealt per direction, record them.
Ready to play.
And it tells you ready to play.
Ready to play.
And when it says ready to play, it means it's found edge and it's ready to play. So that's what it's telling you.
Ready to play.
And up here it says knows where the max area, so it's adjusted right now. It says 11 pockets now, and those areas 42% strike rate.
Ready to play.
And see it's dynamically adjusting based on your data recording.
Ready to play. Ready to play. Ready to play.
And as you can see there, it's dynamically adjusting and shifting the area based on your results. And then the last win number that's come up, and say you wanted to bet, say from there, and then check and say, okay, what's the area to bet based on?
Tracks to play, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8.
And if you don't want to see all the charts, let's do it again.
Tracks to play, 4, 21, 2, 25, 17, 34, 6, 27, 13, 36, 11, 30, 8.
And if you want to
Tracks to play,
out,
2, 4, 6, 8, 11, 13, 17, 21, 25, 27, 30, 34, 36.
If that's too fast for you.
Tracks to play, 2, 4, 6, 8, 11, 13, 17, 21, 25, 27, 30, 34, 36.
Okay, that's it. That's pretty much the gist of the Kitt Europa player. There is an American version. And I'll quickly show you the American version deals with the access of the American code. Oh, looks like I've got to give myself access to the American app. Okay. Oh, all right. Try again. Oh. Okay. Uh, Looks like I need to sort out and give myself access to the American version. I'll do that in another video, but it's pretty much the same exactly. It's just dealing with the 00 wheel, and that's it.